Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to clean your tarnished copper jewelry or just anything copper. So as you can see, it's quite tarnished, a little dirty. And this simple method, it only requires salt, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of lemon juice, and some water. I'm gonna do it like an experiment and just do half of it to show you, so we can compare. All right, let's go ahead and start. So first you want a tablespoon of salt. A little bit more. And then we want some lemon juice. About a tablespoon. Why not put a little bit more? All right, and now we're gonna put water. All right, so I was filling it halfway. Let's go ahead and mix it. And this will take anywhere from a minute to 60 seconds to, it could take an hour depending how big your copper is, or, you know, so just go ahead, put it in and wait 60 seconds. All right guys, so it's been about 8 minutes and without doing much, yeah, you can see, tarnished. If I left, you can leave it up to an hour. We just want to do a test. So this method definitely works. It definitely works. Go ahead and try this at home and tell us what you think. Leave a like or comment if this video helped. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.